Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing is by Sensationnel What Lace KAIRA. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and see if I will be recommending this unit. Let's go. Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. The unit has a 13x6 air-to-air with 6-inch deep hand tie. It has a pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline. It's a perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline. It is a pre-customized unit. It's a great protective style with no leave out necessary. So because this unit is a 13x6, you have tons of options of where you could wear this unit. You could wear it in the middle, on the side, on the left side, in the left side part, in the right side part, half up, half down. There's a lot you could do with this because it's a 13x6. The color that I got is 1B, just plain old 1B. I don't think I ever did a 1B. I did a natural black in the human hair, but I've never done a 1B. So this is a first for me, and it don't look that bad. I just don't like black hair. I don't know what it is about black hair. It just, I don't know. I don't like it. My honey likes it though. He loves jet black hair. I don't know why. I don't like it. So with that being said, what would I rate this unit? First of all, this unit is very beginner friendly, big head friendly. I think it's a great put on and go. You don't necessarily have to lay it down, because all I did was lay down the baby hairs to get it to look a little less wiggy. It does have a few flyaways, not a lot, not a whole lot. It does, I don't know, I love it. I just don't like the color. And again, I chose the color, knowing that I don't like jet black. Why did I do that? I gotta wonder. But yeah, it's like a simple bob, like an angle bob. It's rather cute. It's rather cute. So what was I gonna say about the unit? It has a little bit of flyaways, no tangling, no shedding. I did cut off the lace and didn't experience any shedding. I did style it to the middle part, and I didn't use any knot eraser. I just went in with some powder, my MAC Studio Fix. I went in and just, you know, dip, so I could enhance the part so you can actually see it. So what would I rate the unit? I think I would rate this unit an 8.5 because I don't like the color, but then again, that's my fault. So maybe I should give it a 10. Decision. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this unit on me? Do you like jet black on me? Do you like jet black on you? I didn't have a lot of work to do. I just put on the unit and I, you know, went in some hairspray to flatten up this hump that I had there. When that didn't work, I used my flat iron and that worked perfect. And that's all I think I did. And I tried to lay it on the edges, but not all the way, just like right here. And that was it. And I was ready to go. Ready to go. So I would give this unit, you know, matter of fact, I'll let you guys rate the unit. What would you rate this unit? Tell me down below what you would rate the unit. Because I don't know. I really don't know. I like the length. I like the quickness of it. I like it being 13 by 6, giving me different options to be versatile. But the color, it's something about black hair on my skin tone. It makes me look not like me. I don't know. So you guys rate this unit and you tell me what you think about the unit. How about we're gonna start doing that? You rate the unit. Let me see what your leave the rating for this unit in the comment section. Yeah, I think I'm starting doing that in 2022. I'm gonna put on the wig. I'm gonna tell you the good, the bad, the ugly, and I'm gonna let you, the audience, rate the unit. We're gonna try that. So go ahead, and I also will leave a link in the description for you to purchase this unit. If you do love this unit, I will, yeah, I'll leave you a link in the description. I don't know why I lost my train of thought. So if you got to end the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, comment your rating down below, comment down below what you think I should rate the unit. Like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye guys.